Yes, my people, we don't come again for Inside the Matters to consign Football Republic, FPL, and everything we consign FPL, Fantasy Premier League from the Premier League for weekends. Now we always carry come on top of this podcast. Welcome once again. In case you just join us for the first time, my name is Timi, the Pigeon commentator of the Federal Republic, PCFR, on top this matter today. And today, as always, I get my goons them inside the studio. I get Olamide, our star boy, in there. And I the top of our league. Might just let
star boy.
For us, yeah. Now you be our star boy. You are our star boy. No one know.
I agree.
And we get the man we say yes. You don't go bab new hairstyle. Because Chelsea don't they win.
But you don't reflect for my FPL points. You don't reflect.
Okay. Boku enter the matter and Boku see. Boku start with the kings of game week 10. And Dayo, I know say yes. We don't talk plenty about João Cancelo.
Yeah.
Normal. Now we know the surprise saying they get plenty points now. We'll start with missing Mount. All of a sudden, missing Mount just hits. Share this one something will continue or. Because last season, we see him, he do well for Chelsea, but you would expect, say, FPL managers, they will reason Mount more.
It just be like waiting we talk. If you look in price, 7.6 million, he gets.
Yeah.
Almost the same price we get with Madison here, he gets. It's no brainer one. Then number two, if you look at his role, the kind of role way they play for Chelsea now, he gets. It's like everything that has to do with build up, progressive passes, ball up, he's the man. He gets. And for the past 2 games now, 3 games now, if you know score, they they give assist for 7.6 million. You get, and you have other top players. We say for amounts we pass them, they know they deliver.
Yeah.
At this point, I will just tell people I won't tell people convincingly say you get them for your team, but a player to watch out for.
Player to watch out for missing Mount because now you say.
For me, I believe, I mean, when season starts, Mr. Mount been there worth 8 million, so he don't drop to 7.6 because he never even scored this season.
And maybe not because of the manager we did then. We know.
Well, with Potter now, I like say Potter don't get new role for him and that kind of thing. Now he be the only player we don't start every match under Potter for that Chelsea team. You get. So it means say Potter really trust him and Potter will put him for those things. He get 2 assists last week. For Champions League again, he get another assist. So maybe these returns don't they come. The last 3 games don't make sure say he get returns. So these returns don't they come. But I go see advice say make you still chill. Maybe see maybe 1 or 2 games before you go decide on we will know which kind of form they enter first. Because he needs that first goal first.
To take boost.
To take boost. So hopefully once that goal comes, we say okay, maybe we'll start to consider.
But I feel like now one player will be saying price go increase rapidly once you get that first.
So you know better. So Shema will just keep out for bench.
Yes, better me
get
that
bench now.
And the fixtures, so if you look at the fixtures where they come, G gets. I think it's that player you don't have. Now fixtures will say you could flourish.
Okay, but Olamide make I come with you now. Bruno Guimaraes. Another player will say you go on this Newcastle. I don't know the kind of form we say they will come, but we know say last season Guimaraes now he be more or less now he help Newcastle pull them.
Towards the end.
This is an injury. Yes, Hulam. But now he be like he don't come back.
I think the biggest selling point for Guimaraes has always been is price. Now in price the biggest selling point. I mean when season started, I think it was worth like 4.5 million or so. You know, they 5.6 now. Imagine say you've been getting 1 million, they worth 4.5 million.
Massive.
You don't gain like over 1 million pounds on top this player. And I person way even if you don't perform, you give him a bench. I mean, you get bench players we know to they do anything. When they give you, but when they play, you get so to say you don't get them for 5.5 million. A player
for all makes sense.
Depending on the depending on the features when you get. Even for now, depending on the features when you get, if you always pull them in because. You get say Newcastle will somehow score, and if you did involved, so a very good player to get, or very good option to get for your team for that price. And now everybody can get more money to spend. Everybody has more money to spend now because big hitters like Salah and Trent, where everybody where they very expensive pass. Almost everybody don't sell them. So money plenty. If you check your team, like you say more, you get money to spend because those people 7 million, 13 million or so. You don't get it for your team again. Don't buy players with
less, so and they will give you more.
Exactly. So if you get
and now 2 players, no vex I culture in there. And now 2 players I go like maybe we watch out for and maybe we get for our team. Which is Foden. Foden before I be the doubt him because of Guardiola rule. Guardiola know the day too certain sometimes. Sometimes you go just change formation. The player don't go play. The vex players too. But Skamanka, now player we know say he get potentials. Skamanka is that player, but Skamanka, when the season first starts, they no use him, but now he don't improve. He don't score like 4 times now, back to back. You get
last Premier League game.
I think it's that player, 7.9 million. I think it's that player that we need to watch out for.
Okay.
Out of all this, Foden and Skamanka.
And I agree with you in a way because for me, I think this man, David Moyes is not the player more for now.
Exactly.
Mikel Antonio, not the two.
And if you see the kind, that before you score that goal, you don't score 1 or 2. When you say the dogs are offside, 1 are foul, you get, and they get into great goal scoring position. They don't play him as a target man, all ball to him.
Ronaldo, lastly.
Finally, we get him first Premier League goal of the season. Well, I mean, nobody's buying that guy, you know.
No.
I'm 10.2 million. No matter. If you like,
man, no, we like Mo Salah.
If you like, if you buy him, you don't go do like this. So. Your eye go open. Your eye go open. No rest for you.
You go do wow.
Nobody's buying that guy. Nobody's buying that guy. Next base.
Okay, Moku go for inside the matter as concerns player availability. Moku talk about Luis Diaz, 25%. All these players where I don't know why my director put this team. All this, I don't know who get them for their team, but
so Diaz actually, I mean,
they make sense.
Oh yeah, Diaz they alright. No, but
apart from the first 2-3 weeks,
the whole team they struggle. For he get assist for a last match.
Yeah,
against Arsenal, even though he got injured in the first half. I think
there's been that shining light
exactly
in Liverpool team.
But now he go definitely miss. I think he's out after the World Cup. So if you get him for your team, no time to take him out. I think they come back. And that player, Martial, season come back from that. He did on a very mad goal scoring form now.
Yeah.
You get
but like Wunjo, they always
affect that way. For the derby, for Manchester derby, he scored 2.
Coming off the bench.
Exactly. He scored for Europa League. Then for last Premier League game against Everton, I didn't get an assist for Anthony Go. So for 6.9 million, you just guy put your eye on top of him. He get injury now, so he won't give you space to think. But I mean, hopefully it's not a serious injury. So he's back soon. Then if he does watch him, but he's one to watch.
Arnold Kuku no.
Everybody knows Arnold transfer out.
Another problem.
This injury just make him confirm. Say you need to come out.
Another problem now. Rhys James will be they give points. Like say,
but we never know how long. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Moku go most transferred in, and people they bring in Foden.
Exactly. Ahead of the City game, and it's understandable because you know how City against ahead of Liverpool game against Liverpool, Foden are one of those guys where they always find way to score. He sabi score Liverpool, and India on a very mad run of form to be honest. So for 8.2 million, as we say Liverpool, the way Liverpool take the option where you can understand why people they bring them in because if City go score that day, if City go run rampage, Foden go definitely get 1 or 2 goals. So it makes sense say people they bring them coming.
And the other player we see I go for like to talk about, I don't know, Trossard. We talked about him last week.
Trossard gave me 2 points. I get him for my.
So I don't know. People see a transfer and they believe saying go still do 1 or 2.
I say Brighton they play against Brentford, yeah.
Yeah, Brighton.
So and everybody they run riot past Brentford like this now, Abi.
That's more people on the up on the Martinelli train and
Martinelli on now.
Right from
saying they show that working.
They busy. You get
in they show that working, but just they get the points.
I don't know why people know this. Last week Martinelli gave me a point pass for my FPL. He gave me 12 points.
Wow.
Imagine side captain now.
Can you imagine?
So no, I mean Martinelli get attacking
for 6.6
for 6.6 million. I'm not forgetting 90 on set pieces.
And Trippier. Who go talk Trippier last week?
Yeah.
I think Trippier is a must-have.
He had an assist last week too.
Yes, he's a must-have.
You will get people get Arnold, man. If
anybody will see exactly, just transfer and put in.
Because when I say all defenders, they do anyhow now. But Trippier and Cancelo, I beg, is it must-have?
No, Cancelo is. If you don't get time for your you are useless manager. You are a useless manager if you don't get Cancelo for your FPL. Okay, Moku go most transferred out like we talk. Luis Diaz because of Wunjo.
Yeah.
Trent, Salah,
the Liverpool squad as expected.
13 million to 12.7. Imagine say you get 12.7 and you don't get one single shot on target, and I used to be your captain.
but Olamide, no. I don't tackle go for Twitter. So that's why we're going to come today in case no. Me and now we don't talk for Twitter. So he won't avoid me. He just avoiding me. The one we will talk about now, no, not even Bernardo Silva.
Yeah.
What did they happen?
For Bernardo, majorly 9 minutes. in minutes say okay, where he go play exactly for the team and which matches he go start to begin with. And it's understandable say if you get person like when for that City, you're able to limit other options so if you pick. So normally if you get a City asset, you could get say you could get Diaz, maybe De Bruyne, Haaland, Foden.
Yeah.
You go call like 6 people before you go.
It's gonna be like 3 already City players.
Exactly. And you go don't call like 6 people before you go even consider say Bernardo na one person who is supposed to put for your team.
Yeah.
You get because how many return team they get? This was not 2 seasons ago when it was on fire. So you're understandable why people they push and come up for
and I think Guardiola and Percy will say with the kind striker we get up front now. If you look Jack Grealish, if you look Bernardo Silva, these are players who we say they hold ball. So you get, but with the kind forward way you get, you need people who we say they sight the pass. Do you get? And Bernardo Silva might not just be that player. And why you want to force him into the squad when the squad don't they do well already?
Yeah. Just
like Olamide said, they flop now minutes. They deny him.
Yeah. Okay, Moku go for the strategies for this game week 12 blank, the match between Man City and Arsenal. That one, I don't know how they want to use one, but you guys also say people will get City players, people will get Arsenal players.
Arsenal assets. So basically City and Arsenal don't go play for game week. So not even game. I think na midweek.
Game. So because of their Europa League match.
So for people who get 3 City assets and 3 Arsenal assets,
yeah.
No say you did inside trouble if you don't start to use.
So if you get your free hits,
exactly, if you get your free, this is when to use it. If you don't get your free, it's inside trouble because that means 2 or 3 of your players no go play.
It's like me now, I did inside trouble.
So your wild card now, your wild card supposed to come in. Where you go use choose. But we don't talk about. I think we go talk about last week. See, maybe they consider to they come out, 1 or 2 assets. And it's difficult because people we don't transfer in Foden now. We don't. Foden go miss the next game week. So that means you sacrifice. They go all in against Liverpool. Even though say no go day available for midweek game. So for the people who get Arsenal and City assets, as they make your decision now between this game week 11 deadline and game week 12 deadline, consider say you guys try to shift. The Arsenal players. Keep the ones where you features. Keep wait people for bench for that game week 12.
The price no go to cost you.
Exactly. So if you just put them for bench, if you bring them back in, don't normal.
Because all these people they mischievous for blank week. Because the player where you transfer out, when you won't bring them £1, you don't add.
But it's go rest for Haaland.
Yes.
Nah, everybody will come out their picture. Come on your bulletproof. Come on your bulletproof. Go fight hand to hand. No God.
Haaland don't do your score.
Let's go back to the caveman days.
Yes, we go no. Now we go no manager. I reckon go just there.
Go check out players to watch for game week. And you guys talk say for me, like we mentioned, Skamaka definitely they're among the players to watch out for. Messi Mount also maybe. Bobby Firmino.
Bobby.
Even if Liverpool they do anyhow,
exactly.
They always
so the issue Bobby
off bench.
Starting.
The issue with Bobby now we say those minutes is not starting. You get and because the way Liverpool they play currently, even though himself we know say he's on very very poor form.
Yeah.
But this guy, but with Diaz injury now, let's say when Diaz get that injury, they bring Firmino on, he score, they move Jota to the left.
Yeah.
You get and we believe say okay with the current form window day, it's expected now so they go to play henceforth. You get with Firmino, so Firmino go to get that starting those starting minutes. And if Liverpool won't score for that front now,
with the kind form where Salah gets.
Yes.
And based on what he said too, he gets. If Firmino they come into that team, he gets. If they play that playmaking role, do you get? That means they go on use Nunes. And I know feel say Nunes na person where Klopp go on bench. He they back him up for every press meeting.
Yeah.
Gets. Like, so now it's a question of with Diaz out now. You get option of Firmino and Jota. We go pick Jota on the left, still the same than with Nunes up front.
Yeah.
So
but the funny thing is, the last time when he played against Arsenal, he used Jota for midfield.
Yeah, then
you understand?
Jota
so instead of because I always you say Bobby Firmino don't deliver more than Jota. Yeah. Why not just play Bobby Firmino for that middle? Because we don't see him thrive well for even attack and that's hole behind the strikers.
They affect them. So now that's a very difficult decision for him. Does it go with Firmino to continue Jota for midfield? Or may keep Nunes way score last game because in they try build the cup. Don't forget say Nunes before season starts. You expect this guy go to with Haaland.
But now
and he's lost.
And again, say Nunes na best why we get fit for sure he get. And if you check the kind of game way they play now, if I say confidence, he don't use some level because he's not just scoring. He they play make. So how many crosses where he put. He they fight for, but he they aggressive.
So now the decision of say should I bench this guy. or make I continue, make I build on the
So
confidence.
the decision now lie on the
Exactly.
manager himself.
Yes, and for FPL manager, that's too risky.
That's
to know,
very
to
risky.
know.
A lot of
too risky.
billing. No way.
Yeah, for 5.3
Philip Billing.
million.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Okay.
You said why I go use get billing. I go use get that. Who will they talk?
Sri Lanka.
Yes,
Guimaraes.
Guimaraes.
Okay, Guimaraes.
Guimaraes. Who will they talk? That's
You know what I'm going to
5.6.
use? I'll go carry Sri Lanka.
So you get.
For
Harry
Kane,
and
son.
No comment. No
Olamide.
comment. They
No,
not to do
I
this
mean-
strong team. No comment.
No. Because
I mean-
the problem where people they get most of the time now, or where people don't really understand, I say this manager they really make them flourish like they go expect. Because
Yeah.
sometimes if Tottenham don't score goal, they'll come they go back, the defender, no go attack like you go expect them to attack.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now the fear me I
What
get
you get,
for
yeah.
Harry Kane and
Son.
But
and Son.
for Hurricane did my team, and I understand why they my team.
Don't come
One
Harry
of
Kane
us say Alan are the only person they make. If to say Alan they exist,
Yeah.
Hurricane will be
But
shooting
he
for player of the
exists like
season.
this. He exists.
He'll be shooting for player of the season.
He
8 goals in 8 games. Second
try,
highest
sha.
scorer for league.
But for
I know.
Son might be the cocoa for me because
Yeah, that's son.
the idea of say you score one goal finish, you can't because the defensive nature of Antonio Conte for me they affect Son.
Yeah.
But we'll move quickly to captain picks for this game week and Dayo, ma start with you. Your captain for this week, Haaland as usual.
I don't stay with. I go say this. I don't stay with Madison. Madison do me strong
Okay,
thing.
you want come out now?
I dey go Haaland.
Haaland.
Haaland, I'm back. I'm sorry about last week.
Haaland party forever.
Haaland, I'm back. I'm sorry.
Olamide.
Shaky back line. I mean, Liverpool. If Arsenal will score Liverpool 3 goals, shaky back line. It should be say Trent they out. And whoever they bring in, I don't know who go play.
What's that Gomez?
Gomez.
Gomez go play well. Maybe
Gomez.
Joe Gomez never been Gomez of 3 seasons ago.
Yeah.
So it's very, very, very. But we expect him could be more defensively sound than Trent, no matter what. And depending on what style way this guy want to play. But looking at that Liverpool defense, so the way they always concede goal.
They go chop him.
More.
Haaland go score. Shani.
And you know the funniest part about this thing, I say, now this is like more of a statement game for Guardiola.
Yeah.
To reclaim, say, now only me be the better manager for this league. So that Liverpool, you know, go stop at 3 if you don't stop at 4. As far as say they are back, they are young, they open.
But
Maybe-
before we go, make I just talk now, or make I ask, Haaland, triple captain am.
You say 2 seasons ago. Let's say 2 seasons ago, Alan no go even do your team for this kind of match. Because
Yeah.
you see now match we
You go tight.
If City no stand where they go collect.
That triple captain of it, you know.
Triple captain. I don't even talk. When it comes to this boy, I don't feel actually talk anything.
Yes.
Because now when you go talk Canada, you go score for.
You know the funny part about triple captain? I
You
think
go
most
score.
times triple captain a personal decision. Because if you go make say now that FPL, because our producer, they follow our podcast and he dey get points.
He's the director.
He dey get points.
I need to
That at least last week.
Now
he get
only they watch, they use get points.
At least he get like
And
79.
okay, man, no talk that one.
And he get like 79. Sure
Yeah.
he get. Now imagine say we going to say that triple captain.
Triple captain, and you come
Haaland. Oh my God.
We don't go hear what. No, maybe do ourselves so that we'll get something for this cup.
But I mean, if you captain them, obviously, if you captain them against Liverpool, they hope see because definitely goals always in that game. They hardly to see any Liverpool City game where we go 0-0 goalless draw.
Goals must dey, Shani.
Goals must dey. You get so.
But I just the number of goals we Haaland can score.
And I feel like this kind of match, De Bruyne
Go
they
shine.
open up game. Times
Definitely,
they
they will
will
shine.
say Liverpool feel surprised or spark the balls. They feel do them very well. But for a person like De Bruyne, I don't see outside
No,
shots.
Jurgen Klopp no pack the ball.
You
They no go back.
I
They
know,
always
but I'm
go.
just
They
saying,
don't-
they
they
don't pack the ball.
have no
Never.
balls to pack.
Never.
They're not
Say
good.
yes,
You know you fit pack the
The
ball.
defense is terrible.
So as De Bruyne did like that, all those outside shots, all those free kicks, I feel like say all of
go
them
dey.
that statement match be Liverpool. People they see Liverpool as rival, but now they won't make Liverpool know say okay, yo, what's up?
You go chop him.
Yo, what's up?
Okay, yes, my people, now here we go end the matter for Inside FPL brought to you by the Republicans. Remember, say if you follow us on top of our social media and also if you subscribe to our channel for YouTube, that one, Football Republic NG. And also, anywhere where they get your podcast from, all the platforms we do on top of that matter. Till I enter now again next time. They will. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.